Ever found yourself diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrencies, maybe even snagging some XRP, and then the big question hits you: where can you safely keep this digital treasure? You're not alone. Security and accessibility are top of mind for any crypto holder, and choosing the right wallet is a crucial first step. Now, you might have stumbled upon Tangem Wallet, known for its sleek, card-like design and emphasis on security. It's a popular choice for those wanting a physical cold storage solution. But the burning question remains: can this stylish and secure wallet handle your XRP? Let's get straight to the point. As of my last update in late 2023, Tangem Wallet does indeed support XRP, Ripple. That means you can confidently store, send, and receive your XRP tokens using a Tangem wallet. This integration allows XRP holders to leverage Tangem's security features, which include a secure element chip and private key generation directly on the device, never exposing it to the internet. Think of it like this: your Tangem card acts as a vault for your XRP. The private keys, which are essentially the passwords to your crypto, are securely stored within the card's chip. When you want to make a transaction, you use the Tangem app to initiate it, and the card securely signs the transaction without ever revealing your private keys to your phone or any online server. This significantly reduces the risk of hacking or theft compared to keeping your XRP on an exchange or a hot wallet connected to the internet. The beauty of Tangem's approach lies in its simplicity and security. You don't have to remember complex seed phrases or worry about online vulnerabilities. The card itself acts as your recovery mechanism. As long as you have your Tangem card, you have access to your XRP. For added security, you can even set up a PIN code to protect access to the wallet. Beyond just storage, the Tangem wallet, through its companion app, allows you to interact with the XRP network. You can easily send XRP to other wallets or exchanges by simply entering the recipient's address and the amount. Similarly, receiving XRP is as straightforward as sharing your Tangem wallet's XRP address. It's worth noting that the cryptocurrency landscape is constantly evolving. New features and updates are frequently rolled out by wallet providers. While Tangem currently supports XRP, it's always a good practice to double-check their official website or app for the most up-to-date list of supported cryptocurrencies and any new functionalities. This ensures you have the latest information directly from the source. So, if you're looking for a secure and user-friendly hardware wallet to manage your XRP, Tangem Wallet is a solid option to consider. Its focus on physical security and ease of use makes it an attractive choice for both beginners and experienced crypto holders alike. You get the peace of mind that comes with cold storage in a convenient card format. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.